Super VOOC technology sets foot in India with the OPPO R17 Pro. OPPO's patented Super VOOC flash charge technology has set foot in India with the new OPPO R17 Pro. It can charge your phone up to 40% in almost 10 minutes. It has been designed as a solution to consumers' strong demand for quick, reliable, safe and long-lasting charging for users to seamlessly watch engaging videos or play their favorite games. 300 drones malfunction during light show in China. Fall on viewers. At least 300 drones creating patterns in the sky during a light show in China malfunctioned and began crashing to the ground, with some drones even falling onto the spectators. The drones, which malfunctioned due to electromagnetic interference, belong to Chinese company Higrate. No one was injured in the accident and backup drones carried out the remaining show. Quora says hackers stole data of up to 100 million users. Question and answer website Quora on Monday said it discovered last week that hackers stole data of up to 100 million users, possibly including usernames, email addresses, and an encrypted version of their passwords. The company admitted that data from other linked social networks could also be compromised. "We're sorry for any concern or inconvenience this may cause," CEO Adam D'Angelo said. Amazon briefly becomes world's most valuable company at $870 billion. World's richest person Jeff Bezos. Amazon briefly became the world's most valuable company on Monday, days after Microsoft dethroned Apple. The online retailer's shares surged 5.2% at its highs, pushing the company's market capitalization to around $870 billion. At Monday's close, Apple was back on top with a market value of $877 billion, followed by Amazon at $866.6 billion. Samsung uses Apple's iPhone to tweet about new phone. Gets trolled. South Korean smartphone maker Samsung was trolled after its promotional Twitter account in Nigeria used an iPhone by rival Apple to tweet about Samsung's new smartphone, Galaxy Note 9. On Sunday, the @Samsung Mobile account was shut and the tweet was deleted after the mistake was widely shared online. "Someone's getting fired tomorrow," a person tweeted in response to the mistake.